Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by prepping. Detangle the hair gently, mist with water or detangler, and section into manageable parts. Once done, secure most hair with clips and work the nape first. This reduces tension and makes progression predictable. You will loosen the artificial material by separating the extension from the natural hair with your fingers and a wide-tooth comb. Slow, controlled pulls prevent snapping. Make sure to keep tools close and maintain even pressure. This first step sets the pace for the rest of the removal. Now focus on the core technique. Locate where the synthetic lock wraps the natural hair and begin sliding the natural strands out, one small bundle at a time. You comb carefully, root to tip in short, deliberate strokes. This reduces snagging and spreads the tension. If a stubborn knot appears, saturate with conditioner or detangler, hold the base firmly to protect roots, and tease the knot apart with your fingers. Once the extension is free, coil it away and move to the next section. Finish by cleansing and restoring. After all extensions are removed, shampoo gently and follow with a deep conditioning treatment to replenish moisture. You should inspect the scalp for redness or small breaks. If present, apply a light oil and avoid tight styling for at least 24 to 48 hours. One key troubleshooting tip: if you encounter severe tangling or hair that seems trapped, stop and seek a professional stylist. Forcing removal can cause unnecessary damage. This protects your hair health while completing the process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.